Seems so long I've been waiting, still don't know what for. There's no point escaping, I don't worry anymore. I can come out to find you, I don't like to go outside. They can turn off my feelings like they're turning off the light. But I don't mind. No, I don't mind. Oh, I don't mind. No,
Gotta pray for Dale. Dear Lord, guide Dale. Guide Dale. Guide Dale and guide all of us. Alright. Okay, he's fighting.